Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this Crockpot Jambalaya Louisiana style. So keep on watching. So first we are already going to have our slow cooker spray with Nonstick cooking spray. Then we're going to add in 3 cups of chicken broth. And then now we're going to go ahead and season up that chicken broth. So we are going to be adding Cajun seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. As previously, all of the links and recipe guide will be listed down below for your convenience. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good crockpot recipe. I don't want to spend my whole night cooking, so I really enjoy the convenience of using the slow cooker. You can literally put this on low for 4 to 5 hours, or you can cook this on high for 2 hours. Now, if this isn't the season that you would like, you can always go ahead and add more. So now you're seeing me add minced garlic as well as tomato paste. And I'm just going to go ahead and give that a good stir. Make sure that you taste this before you add your meats and anything else, because you want to make sure that it is seasoned to your liking prior to adding any type of raw meat. So now that I have that incorporated, we are going to be adding in our celery, onion, and bell pepper. And I had those combined in one bowl. And you just want to use one of each. Now that we have all of that added, we are going to go ahead and add in our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs for recipes in the crock pot sometimes because the chicken thighs do give a little bit more flavor than your average chicken breast. And it's kind of hard to work with chicken breast sometimes because chicken breast can dry out very quickly. So now that we have that, I am going in and adding some sauteed smoked sausage. I like to get the sausage brown before adding it. So now we're just going to let that cook again for 2 hours on low. 2 hours on high or 4 hours on low. And that's what it's supposed to look like after just simmering for those. I had mine on high because I was in a rush, y'all. I started cooking at like 2 and I needed my food done before 5, 6 o'clock. So that is what the chicken is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and take out the chicken and shred it. And then here I am just adding that back into the mixture. So now that we have that, you want to go ahead and add in your rice. So you can cook it on high for 1 hour or low for 2 hours. So this is after, I think this was after like an hour and a half. And you see all of that rice, but oh my God, y'all, this was so bomb. So now we're not done, honey. We are going to go in and add our shrimp. So then with this, you want to go ahead and cook your shrimp on high for 20 minutes. You just want to fold that in. I like to fold my shrimp in to the bottom so that way I know it's getting cooked, because on top of that rice, I mean, you know, it could get cooked because of the steam. However, I just want to make sure, so I kind of fold mine in and kind of cover it up like it's in a bed. Alright, y'all, and this is the final look. Get into it and make sure that your shrimp is done. You know it's done when it turns slightly pink. It's not going to turn fully pink like it would in a pan, but as you can see, it's still soft to the bite. It's not going to be overcooked. It's still going to be nice and juicy. So now we're just going to go ahead and plate our meal, and of course, y'all already know we are going to be adding that food grass. We are going to be adding that parsley for garnish. But thanks so much for watching, y'all.